So we're starting where we left off with a large 200 microsecond delay and 4 fixed targets. So now we're going to go back to just one target return. Let's go back to showing you the 4. If you look at the signal on the spectrum analyzer, that's a very complex sin x over x mix of 4 targets in a certain PRI. But it's a lot easier to see if we just go back to 1. That's your typical sin x over x curve for a fixed pulse width in PRI. And we're going to talk to that in a minute when we change the Doppler on the target return. Okay. And we're going to go back to a high velocity inbound motion. And we're going to look at our spectrum analyzer because right now we don't have a Doppler enabled. So let's put a marker of what a 0 Doppler offset looks like. And come to the control. We're going to enable Doppler with a very high velocity just so that you can see on the spectrum analyzer what a Doppler offset looks like. So right now we're going to not only enable the Doppler but use the velocity that's simulated in the range motion, and as we go to the spectrum analyzer you should see it shift. So we're going to shift it even more. Now if you look at where it's shifted, it's a higher frequency because we have an inbound target. An inbound target moving into the victim radar is going to look like a higher frequency because of the positive Doppler shift of the targets moving closer together relatively. We're going to change right now to an outbound trajectory with the same Doppler offset. So it should move just as far to the right as it did, just as far to the left as it did to the right. And then back to no Doppler. Back to Doppler enabled, and we're going to have the Doppler offset from where it is. And then again, back to a positive Doppler shift inbound target from none. Okay.